data warehouse. So that's why the whole data warehouse is in a cube. So the cube is the data warehouse. But it might not be the case. So easily said. Cubes are designed to work the best with denormalized data. You could read the cube from your SQL server directly and Oracle and stuff. But this is not a good idea. It's designed to work with denormalized data warehouses. This one is interesting because I will not work with it a lot. Data mining. Data mining means searching in your data for trends, for something that you might not notice. A very good example for using data mining is this. Do you think there is a relation between these two? This is a famous case, by the way. Is there any relation between diapers and beers? It's very difficult for a human to understand. But what they did in some supermarket, I forgot the name, they had all the data in a data warehouse. And they used something like analysis services for data mining. They had an algorithm and told it to search. They discovered that once this one gets high, this one also gets together. They didn't know the reason. So they started more investigation on why is it this way. They discovered that usually at the middle of the night, the mother tells the father, we're out of diapers, so go ahead to the supermarket and get me some. So you go to the supermarket and then you decide to buy since it's at the end of the night. You go back and you drink it. Now the important stuff, how do we benefit from this? The supermarket decided to give coupons. You get the idea? That, okay, once you buy more, we give you more, and stuff like that. So their sales got up. This is what we call data mining, discovering the relationship. Let me give you an easier example. STC, for example, is using something like a data mining. Something like it. Imagine this case. I had my mobile, and I had the maid in home. In case you don't know, maid Khadim in my house. So she usually asked for me to call to Indonesia. And then after a while, I started getting messages from STC. Oh, you have these discounts for calling Indonesia. Yeah. This is data mining. Discovering what I'm doing and then getting you some actions based on analyzing this data. This guy is calling Indonesia always. So you might be getting it for your own country. I'm sure you have got this before. Amazon is a very good example also. Do you notice that when you go and buy a book in Amazon, it gives you, people also have bought these books? This is data mining. Data mining. Discovering that, okay, there is a relationship between these books. People like it, like both of these books or more. You can use it for forecasting. There is even a solution I've seen a couple of years ago, I'm not sure if it's really implemented, about the supermarket, where you go into the supermarket and you start finding, specific guidance for you. They have records for you always buying tomatoes and buying some stuff and product. So they start telling you that, okay, you have discounts on this price, on this product and stuff to make you buy more. This is, again, data mining. It's difficult. It's not the easiest part, but you can work with it in analysis services. This is the point I'm just getting at. Okay, I've been talking a lot, so let me show you a quick example, quick demo on how SSAS work. Now, remember, everybody, this is an easy demo. I'm not trying to get into too much detail since I'm assuming most of you guys didn't really work with BI. So what I will do is you can work with SSAS analysis services with two ways. Either through Management Studio SQL Server, but I don't really recommend it because Visual Studio is more powerful. So you can easily use Visual Studio if you already, oops. Once you got to the demo,